make sure you watch this till the end. Alright, first and first, all you have to do is to go to your browser and search for Digen AI. Okay, so just search for Digen AI. Alright, so when you search for Digen AI, if you haven't used this for the first time, you have to sign in your Google account. Alright, so mine is just made like this because I've been using it for a while. Now when they ask you to upgrade now, just click here. You see this S sign, just cancel it. Alright, now when you cancel it, you have to scroll down. You're gonna see on here that says describe and you zoom it and you see it properly. It says describe your video. Now it's either you press your prompt, okay, or you upload a reference image. So that you use a text to video or a reference image to video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to go to my notepad. I'll go to my notepad and copy my prompt. Here is my prompt. So I'm just going to copy my dialogue. I've already generated my image. Now you can go to go to any generative tool and generate your image. Okay, I use it Flow always. Or ChatGPT, just choose the one that resonates with you. Now what I'm going to do is to click on the plus icon. I'll click on upload image. If you want to select Pongolari, I mean, do it as well as anyone that resonates with you. So I'm going to click on the three dots and choose the preferred image of my choice. Very image that I want to use. This is her image. So I'm going to click on this and click on select. Now it will automatically be uploaded. You have to wait until it's done uploaded. Okay. Now I'm going to paste my prompts here. It is still uploading. Just now paste my prompt. Okay, my dialogue. Alright, so I will advise you whenever you're using this, you have to describe the person that is talking. Especially if there is multiple characters, but mine is just one character. That's why I wrote it in the D. And yeah. So what I need to do next is, remember it is at ROM 3 to board. So they give you 320 credit. This is my credit, as you can see. I'm using the free Digen. This is my 320 credit. Okay. So let's see, I'm using the paid one. I'm using the free one. Now the next thing I'm going to do is upload another. I'll still upload the same image and now do the same thing. The chase, so so what I'm going to do next is to hit generate. Now the good thing about this is that you can generate up to 2 videos at once. Yes, you can generate up to 2 videos at once, just upload them and hit generate. 2 of them will start generating automatically at once. Alright, so after that you have to wait. Once the 2 are done generating, you will download it and upload another. Can upload two images and dynamic as well. Okay, as you can see, these are the 2 videos that I'm generating. So you have to wait. Once it's done generating, you watch it. If the outcome was okay, you can download it. So you are best wait something is done generating. Let me play the first video.
Sometimes.
Now this is the second video of who you're meant to become.
Why did it have to hurt this much?
Okay, so as you can see, it came out nice. Alright, so let me try out another prompt. Alright, I'm going to upload this then. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and follow for more smart tech tips that keep you ahead of the game. Alright, so I'm going to hit generate. It's ready, so let me play it. Just download it. Make sure you download it before. Or I bet you to download it, okay? So if you want to download it, just tap here. This is the icon where you tap and it will automatically be downloaded. So let me play it, let's see.
I gave my heart, and I lost myself in the process. I kept asking.
Says I kept asking. Okay, so this one.
I found peace where I least expected.
Not in people. Now you see how audiability. This is beautiful. I really love the outcome. As you can see, the two are downloaded. So we still have more credits. As you can see, we still have more credits here. They gave us 350 credit and we still have 240 credits. Okay. Now, as you're going to create another one, if probably your credit is exhausted, you should know what to do. All you have to do is to switch to another Gmail account and generate as much as you want. Okay? This is for free. We are not going to pay for this. On upload this, so I'm going to paste my dialogue. The video is generated. The videos are ready, so I'm going to download it. Now let this first one. Pain is not the end, but sometimes, thanks to this one, beginning of who you're meant to become. Sometimes it's the beginning of who you're meant to become. Okay, so this is beautiful. So after downloading this, you can go to your popcorn and arrange them accordingly. Right? I believe this tutorial was helpful. If which ones were helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.